Hi guys, this is Mark from the Toys of a Time Gone By. And look what we got here. It's mail call. And here we have the She-Ra Princess of Power Barbie Signature Collection. Stay tuned. So here she is, guys. The Barbie Signature Collection She-Ra Princess of Power 40th anniversary. And it is stunning in 11.5 inches tall. What a beauty this is, guys. Amazing. Oh my goodness. Amazing, guys. So stunning. Check out the back of the box. Right here. Look at that, the face. I'm just going to kind of like go around how cool this thing is. It is a Barbie doll. I never thought I'd be owning a Barbie doll, but definitely this is one you kind of have to own. You know, this is definitely one you kind of have to own. And I just received her today, and she's amazing. And I like to get her right out of the box. And then once I get her out of the box, in the magic of YouTube, she'll be out of the box in 3, 2, okay, 1. There she is, guys. I didn't take her fully out. I don't think I am, but I'll just show it to you guys out of the box real fast. There. The face. Pretty neat. Look at the sword. It's amazing sword. It's got like these little plastic ties on it. The legs. There's that burst in the back. Amazing figure. In the back it comes with a stand and a certificate of whatever it is. Authenticity. Comes with the certificate there. Not much more. You know, that's all you get really. So it doesn't come with like extra clothes or anything like that. But this was definitely a must-have figure for you fans. She's got rooted hair. Her face is amazing. That really is an incredible face. And the tiara, very nice. But they did that thing with the here with the you know, right in the back here, you could see the ties on the cape, which I wish they wouldn't have done. Those ties there, not cool. But I mean, other than that, not bad. Nothing, you know, the packaging is like, it's okay. Nothing to call home about. But other than that, it's a really nice figure. I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like and stuff here in the box. Just so you guys see how amazing this figure is. Very cool figure. So there you go, guys. Really quick video, just showing off the figure I just got. I'll take some pictures and post them up on my Instagram. See me on my Instagram and check it out. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and have a great evening.